First reading, 1 John chapter 1 verse 1 to 4. Something which has existed since the beginning, which we have heard, which we have seen with our own eyes, which we have watched and touched with our own hands, the word of life. This is our theme, that life was made visible. We saw it and are giving our testimony, declaring to you the eternal life, which was present to the Father and has been revealed to us. We are declaring to you what we have seen and heard, so that you too may share our life. Our life is shared with the Father and with His Son Jesus Christ. We are writing this to you so that our joy may be complete. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 97 verse 1 to 2, 5 to 6, 11 to 12. Yahweh is King. Let earth rejoice, the many isles be glad. Black cloud enfolds him, saving justice and judgment the foundations of his throne. The mountains melt like wax before the Lord of all the earth. The heavens proclaim his saving justice, all nations see his glory. Light dawns for the upright, and joy for honest hearts. Rejoice in Yahweh, you who are upright, praise his unforgettable holiness. Gospel, John chapter 20 verse 2 to 8. And came running to Simon Peter and the other disciple, the one whom Jesus loved. They have taken the Lord out of the tomb, she said, and we don't know where they have put him. So Peter set out with the other disciple to go to the tomb. They ran together, but the other disciple, running faster than Peter, reached the tomb first. He bent down and saw the linen cloths lying on the ground, but did not go in. Simon Peter, following him, also came up, went into the tomb, saw the linen cloths lying on the ground, and also the cloth that had been over his head. This was not with the linen cloths, but rolled up in a place by itself. Then the other disciple who had reached the tomb first also went in. He saw and he believed.